So I'm here in the El Vedado region of Havana. It's kind of like the new downtown area. And I'm here to check out a joint where this guy is really preaching about the food.
Dos filetes de pescado con vegetales salteados.
And I mean preaching. He's preaching about how food should be great, and this is the place to get it. So the name is fitting. This is La Catedral. That's right.
Y una papa frita. Todo eso con la comida.
Cilindrón.
Best place in the whole city.
Garbanzo fritos.
I love it here. I've been here pretty much every week since I've been in Cuba.
Sacan machisales también, por favor.
I was walking here and I saw the line and I thought, okay, where is the line? There must be good food.
And they're coming to see the resident minister of flavor, owner Diego Hernandez.
There is so many churches in a country, but only one cathedral.
Though it used to be a different place altogether. This was your mother's house.
Yes, it was my mother's house.
But he converted it to a holy house of culinary worship, and he's been back in the masses since he opened in 2013.
I feel like I am going from my home to this home.
Whatever I get is absolutely perfect.
Cilindrón de chivo.
That's Cilindrón de Chivo, translated to big chili of goat, or big old goat stew.
The goat stew is delicious.
All right, what are we gonna make?
Cilindrón de chivo.
Did you sing that? Did you canta?
Cilindrón de chivo.
Ay, chira. So this is goat?
This is goat. First, we are cut and later marinate.
In what?
Red wine, black pepper, salt, garlic, bay leaf, and white pepper.
How long is this going to marinate?
12 hours.
12 hours. In the oven?
30 minutes, maybe 45.
Convection oven, super hot.
Let's make it.
Let's go.
The oil. This is from Spain. Green and red peppers,
Capitan, come on.
onions. And we put the cooked goat
Now we're gonna braise it.
and mix.
Okay. Tomatoes. Oh, loco. Tomato sauce. Okay, vino rosso.
Wine. 30 minutes.
Then we eat it.
Yeah.
With what?
White rice. Malanga.
The malanga is like yuca, kind of like a boiled root.
Mojo criollo.
Vinegar with onion. Good.
And the stuff.
All right. It's delicious. This place is legit, man. Gracias, chef. Gracias.